Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Xiaomi smartphone to your Samsung Galaxy M21, for the first you have to go for the Play Store on the Samsung, tap here and type clone it. We are going to use this application to transfer data. Click on the install, and you have to do the same on this second smartphone Xiaomi. I just get it, so right now I can open it on the both devices. Click allow. Yes, I agree. Click allow once, click sender here, click allow once again, and tap receiver on your Samsung. Click allow, click set, turn on location, go back to our app. Okay, we are in the settings, so click here to enter the background apps and open our application once again. Click receiver and tap on the search. Right now we have to wait, or tap search again. Click on this Android share icon. And we have to connect in two ways. We can scan the QR code, as you can see, and also we can input this password right here. So we have to pick I will go for the QR code. Click to accept the request. And right now, if you want to send everything, you have to click on all of these icons, then tap on start. But in my case, I will go below for the details because this is only example. So I'll go maybe for a photo. And I'm going to unselect everything. And I will take these two pictures, click start, okay. And as you can see, it's finished. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.